the integral of ln of x dx. So you can think of this as 1 times ln of x. Now, using our acronym, we have the 1, which is the algebra. And then we have ln of x. And that belongs to the log, actually. The first circle at the top is a u. So our u is equal to ln of x, because ln of x is basically log base e of x. So the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So du is equal to 1 over x dx. How about dv? So dv is the 1 and the dx, so 1 times dx. So v is equal to the integral of 1 times dx, which is simply x plus c. And using our formula, we have u times v. So the u is the ln of x times v, and v is simply the x minus the integral of v, which is x, times du. And du is 1 over x dx. So this is the same as saying x ln of x minus the integral of 1 dx, which is equal to x ln of x minus x plus c.